What is functional medicine? In short, functional medicine is an evolution in the practice of medicine that better addresses the healthcare needs of the 21st century. By shifting the traditional disease-centered focus of medicine to a patient-centered approach, functional medicine addresses the whole person, not just the isolated symptoms that result. Spend time with our patients, listen to your history, and look at the interactions amongst your genetics, environment, and lifestyle factors. These can all influence your health in a positive or negative way. Functional medicine supports your unique needs and helps you uncover why you don't feel well and teaches you what you can do about it. This simple image will help you understand the difference between a functional medicine provider and a traditional allopathic medical provider. The job of your medical doctor is for you to go in and for him or her to diagnose you with the specific condition that you have. This might be high blood pressure, or anxiety, or heart disease, or irritable bowel. Then that practitioner is forced to use a predictive algorithm to treat your case, which means if you go in with anxiety, there's only a series of different medications that doctor can use. The doctor, unfortunately, doesn't ask the question why, and why is what's going to get you better. As functional medicine providers, we dig through the dirt and help you uncover why you don't feel well. Is it because of inflammation? Is it because of stress? Is it because of poor diet or poor digestion? What's causing your body to dysfunction and manifest in disease? Well, why do we need functional medicine is another question that I get very often. We have lots of great interventions. Well, that's actually quite easy for us to understand. For the last 50 years, the number of sick people in this country per capita has increased every single year. Our healthcare expenditures have increased every single year. The cost of delivering healthcare has increased every single year, and people continue to get sicker. I'm all for spending money, but let's spend it on the right things. Let's spend it on a system that actually produces amazing results for patients in virtually every single type of condition. Unfortunately, many people are suffering from acute traumatic events, like this patient who is having a heart attack, and we need our current medical system in order to put those fires out, just like you need a firefighter to put out a fire. It's that firefighter's job to save your house, or as much of it as possible, before it burns down to the ground, and you would be grateful that they did that. But unfortunately, who do you call the next day now that you have a burnt down house? Well, you wouldn't call the fire department again. They already did their job. Now you would call a repairman to help you rebuild your house and make sure it doesn't burn down again. Unfortunately, our current medical practitioners aren't equipped with the tools that they need to help you get better. They're equipped with the tools that they need to put the fire out. So we need our current medical system, but we also need a system that addresses 21st century illnesses, which are mostly chronic in nature and lifestyle induced. There is a massive gap between research and when something comes into the public's domain. Your medical practitioner is often using research that's 50 years outdated, and the unfortunate consequence of that is your health continues to suffer. As functional medicine providers, we're able to bridge that gap for you. So how is functional medicine different? Well, fundamentally it's different because it's patient-centered. Our job as practitioners is to help you solve this puzzle and help you uncover why you don't feel well and teach you what you can do about it so this condition doesn't ruin your life. Unfortunately, our current system is not set up that way. When we treat patients as human beings instead of a diagnosis, we get outstanding results in virtually every case. Functional medicine is science-based and it's integrative. Functional medicine realizes that we are a series of systems put together, and that series of systems works as a whole, just like you see these gears here. It's important for you and your doctor to realize that even just changing one of these gears will completely destroy this entire system. Our job as providers is to help you uncover what systems aren't working well and get this entire system working as a whole again. When we work with patients, our goal is to address the underlying cause and help you to unlock the medical mystery that seems to be your case. Unfortunately, the current system is not set up to do this. Fortunately for us, we are able to provide you with this type of intervention. Functional medicine can help you unlock your case and give you the tools that you need to actually get better.